Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Desi Maggi. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You will need 2 packets of Maggi noodles with their tastemakers, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato, and 1 green chili. Also, have 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt on hand. Finally, measure out 1.5 cups of water. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start building those amazing flavors. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once the oil is warm, add your finely chopped onion. Sauté it gently until it becomes translucent, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, toss in the chopped green chili for a lovely kick. Finally, add the diced tomato and cook it down until it softens, releasing all its sweet and tangy juices. With our aromatic base ready, it is time to introduce the spices and liquid. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the sautéed vegetables and mix it in well. Then, empty both Maggi tastemaker packets into the pan, stirring to combine everything. Pour in 1.5 cups of water and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Remember to season with salt to your taste, adjusting as needed for perfect flavor balance. We are almost there. Once the water is boiling, break the 2 Maggi noodle cakes into the pan. Cook the noodles for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure they separate and cook evenly. You will know they are ready when they have absorbed most of the water and are tender. Your hot, flavorful, and homemade Desi Maggi is now ready to be served immediately. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.